Hey, welcome to the AaaS revolution. First off, congrats. Seriously, you just took the first step into what's about to become the biggest wealth opportunity of this century. Now, let's break this down. What even is AaaS? It stands for AI Agents as a Service, which basically means we're building and deploying autonomous, modern solutions that help businesses get results faster, cheaper, and way more efficiently than anything that's ever existed before. And here's the wild part. Once you set this up, maintenance is practically zero. Like, imagine building something once and it just keeps working for you while you sleep. That's the game, because realistically, these AI agents do the work once they're up and running.
So the real question is, how are you going to use AssignX to ride this AI wave before everyone else wakes up too? Because right here, right now, you have the opportunity to work directly alongside a founding team of a platform that's already transformed how business operates. And we're giving you everything, the platform, the system, frameworks to launch and scale your own AI business using the exact strategies we use ourselves. You'll get high-level training, insider playbooks, and access to a tight-knit community of operators who are driven by growth, obsessed with impact, and ready to actually build something that matters.
Now, here's the roadmap. Over the next 4 weeks, this is going to be intense, but it's also going to be the 4 weeks that catapult you straight into the future. Week 1, it's all about product knowledge and foundations. You'll learn exactly how the systems work and how to build your first AI agents. All exciting stuff. Now, week 2, we're looking at marketing. You'll start learning how to position, package, and promote your AI business and the funnels that are basically proven with strategies we've mastered over the past year. Week 3 is all about sales. This is where you get to learn and master the highest paid skill on the planet, how to close. Now, we're going to show you how to set up your plans, become a master communicator, onboard, and systemize your entire sales process. And week 4, well, that's just where we scale. We'll lay the foundations and the groundwork for expansion, automation, and turning your system into a real AI business. And by the end of it, these 4 weeks, you'll be fully equipped to launch and start tallying wins from day one. So yeah, buckle up, because this is your official welcome to the AI gold rush.
See the money